Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you multiple ways to shut off your Samsung phone. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, the easiest option, you can go ahead and swipe down from your notification tray. Swipe down once more to bring out your control center. Now, at the very top or at the top right, you have the power button. So go ahead and tap on it and just basically tap on power off. All right. Now, the second option, go ahead and use the side buttons of your mobile device. So we have here the side button and the volume down button. Go ahead and hold them simultaneously for about 15 to 20 seconds. Again, hold both of them for about 15 to 20 seconds until your phone shuts off or turns black, up until the Samsung logo appears. All right. Again, hold both of them until your phone screen turns black and the Samsung logo appears. And then you can go ahead and release it. And that is just, by the way, if your phone is stuck. Okay. If it's lagging or hanging, whatever you want to call it. Okay. Or freezing. Right. So another quick tip, just hold those buttons for about 3 seconds. Again, just hold them for about 3 seconds. I'm going to do it. 1, 2, 3. Now, here we have the shut off or power off button as well. And lastly, here is a bonus. If you have a Bixby or Google Gemini, you can go ahead and wake them up. So depending on how you set up your phone, the waking up system will be different. So if you have a Bixby, by default, you can just go ahead and say, "Hi, Bixby," right? Or for Google Gemini, I have it set up for side button. So I have it right here. Now you could just go ahead and say, "Turn off my phone," and wait. Right? There you go. You can now then go ahead and tap on the power off button. That's how simple it is to shut off your Samsung phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.